The topic of this video is digitalization of the building and construction industry, the business perspective, benefits, strategies and business opportunities. The building and construction industry is one of the largest industries in the world. It creates homes, offices, factories, hospitals, schools, transport infrastructure, shopping centers, and entire cities. However, despite its enormous economic importance, construction has traditionally been one of the least digitized industries. Many organizations still rely heavily on manual processes, paper-based systems, fragmented information, and inefficient communication methods. These challenges often result in project delays, cost overruns, productivity losses, quality issues, and safety concerns. Today, this situation is rapidly changing. Digitalization is transforming the building and construction industry in much the same way that digital technologies transformed banking, manufacturing, retail, logistics, and telecommunications. The adoption of artificial intelligence, AI, building information modeling, BIM, digital twins, Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing, robotics, drones, advanced analytics, and automation is creating unprecedented opportunities for businesses to improve productivity, profitability, competitiveness, and sustainability. For business leaders, the question is no longer whether digitalization will transform construction. The question is how quickly organizations can adapt and take advantage of these opportunities. Why digitalization is becoming essential. The construction industry faces numerous challenges: rising labor costs, skills shortages, increasing material costs, project complexity, tight profit margins, sustainability requirements, safety compliance obligations, increasing customer expectations. Traditional methods are often unable to address these challenges efficiently. Digitalization enables organizations to work smarter, reduce waste, improve decision-making, increase profitability, improve project delivery. Companies that fail to adopt digital technologies risk becoming less competitive in an increasingly digital marketplace. The business benefits of digitalization: improved productivity. Productivity improvement is one of the strongest business drivers for digitalization. Construction projects involve thousands of tasks, documents, drawings, approvals, and stakeholders. Digital systems help automate many repetitive activities. Benefits include faster workflows, reduced paperwork, better coordination, improved scheduling, reduced rework. Project teams spend less time searching for information and more time delivering value. Reduced project costs. Cost control remains a major challenge across the construction sector. Digital technologies help organizations improve cost estimation, track project expenses, reduce material waste, optimize labor allocation, improve procurement processes. Real-time project visibility enables managers to identify issues before they become expensive problems. Even small improvements in project efficiency can generate substantial financial benefits. Better project delivery. Many construction projects suffer from delays. Digital project management systems improve planning, scheduling, resource allocation, risk management, communication. Project managers gain real-time visibility into project progress. Potential delays can be identified and addressed earlier. This leads to more reliable project delivery and improved client satisfaction. Improved safety performance. Safety is a critical issue in construction. Digital technologies support real-time safety monitoring, worker tracking, hazard identification, incident reporting, safety training. Wearable devices, smart cameras, drones, and AI-based monitoring systems help organizations reduce workplace risks. Improved safety performance also reduces legal and insurance costs. Better quality control. Quality problems can be extremely costly. Digital technologies help identify issues earlier through digital inspections, automated quality monitoring, building information modeling, digital documentation. This reduces defects, rework, and warranty claims. Sustainability benefits. Governments, investors, and customers increasingly expect sustainable construction practices. Digital technologies help organizations reduce energy consumption, minimize material waste, improve resource efficiency, lower carbon emissions, support environmental reporting. Sustainability is becoming both a compliance requirement and a competitive advantage. Key digital technologies transforming construction. Building information modeling, BIM. BIM is one of the most important digital technologies in construction. BIM creates a digital representation of a building before construction begins. Benefits include better design coordination, improved planning, reduced design conflicts, better cost estimation, improved collaboration. BIM significantly reduces costly design errors and construction rework. Digital twins. Digital twins extend BIM by creating living digital models of buildings. Digital twins allow businesses to monitor building performance, predict maintenance requirements, improve energy efficiency, optimize operations for property owners. Digital twins provide significant long-term value beyond construction. Artificial intelligence (AI) is rapidly becoming a major competitive advantage. Applications include project scheduling, risk analysis, cost forecasting, quality management, safety monitoring, predictive maintenance. AI enables faster and better decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. Internet of Things. IoT technologies connect equipment, sensors, buildings, and workers. Applications include equipment monitoring, environmental monitoring, occupancy monitoring, energy management, asset tracking. IoT systems generate valuable operational data that can improve efficiency and reduce costs. Drones. Drone technology has become increasingly valuable. Applications include site surveys, progress monitoring, safety inspections, asset inspections, mapping and modeling. Drones reduce survey times from days to hours and improve project visibility. Robotics and automation. Construction robotics are beginning to transform the industry. Examples include automated bricklaying, robotic surveying, autonomous machinery, automated inspections. These technologies improve productivity while addressing labor shortages. Business strategies for successful digitalization. Develop a clear digital strategy. Technology investments should support business objectives. Organizations should identify current challenges, strategic goals, priority opportunities, expected returns. Digitalization should be viewed as a business transformation program rather than simply an IT project. Start with high-value areas. Many organizations attempt too much too quickly. A better approach is to begin with areas offering rapid business benefits. Project management, cost control, document management, BIM implementation, field reporting. Early successes help build organizational confidence and support. Invest in workforce skills. Technology alone does not create success. Employees require training in digital tools, data analytics, AI applications. Digital project management. Workforce development is often the most important factor in successful digital transformation. Build strategic partnerships. Many organizations cannot develop all capabilities internally. Partnerships may include technology providers, universities, consultants, industry associations, research organizations. Collaboration accelerates innovation and reduces implementation risks. Major business opportunities. Digitalization is creating entirely new markets. Consulting services. Demand is growing for consultants specializing in digital transformation, BIM implementation, AI adoption, digital twin development, smart building strategies. This represents a significant opportunity for professionals and consulting firms. Software development. The construction industry increasingly requires specialized software solutions. Opportunities include project management systems, BIM platforms, AI applications, mobile field applications, asset management systems. Software development for construction is a rapidly expanding market. Data analytics services. Construction companies generate enormous volumes of data. Businesses can provide analytics services, predictive modeling, performance benchmarking, operational intelligence. Data is becoming a valuable business asset. Smart building solutions. The smart building market continues to expand rapidly. Opportunities include Building automation, energy management, security systems, occupancy analytics, predictive maintenance. Building owners increasingly seek intelligent building solutions. Training and professional development. Many organizations require assistance in developing digital skills. Training opportunities include BIM training, AI training, digital project management, smart building technologies, digital engineering. This is a rapidly growing professional services market. Opportunities for small and medium businesses. Digitalization is not limited to large organizations. Small and medium businesses can benefit significantly. Examples include cloud-based project management, mobile field applications, digital estimating systems, drone services, digital marketing, online collaboration platforms. Many digital solutions are now affordable and accessible to smaller businesses. Future trends. Several emerging technologies will further transform the industry. These include AI agents, autonomous project management systems, quantum computing, quantum AI, advanced robotics, augmented reality, virtual reality, digital twins. At city scale, the convergence of these technologies will create even greater business opportunities over the coming decade. Conclusion. The digitalization of the building and construction industry represents one of the most significant business opportunities of the 21st century. Digital technologies are improving productivity, reducing costs, enhancing safety, supporting sustainability, and creating entirely new business models. The organizations that embrace digital transformation today will be better positioned to compete, grow, and lead tomorrow's construction industry. For business leaders, developers, contractors, consultants, architects, engineers, software developers, investors, and entrepreneurs, the message is clear. Digitalization is not simply a technology trend. It is a strategic business transformation that is reshaping the future of the building and construction industry. Those who invest early, develop digital capabilities, build partnerships, and embrace innovation will be the organizations that capture the greatest value from the digital construction transformation. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insights on AI, quantum computing, and emerging technologies shaping the future of software and humanity.